Our way of life, as well as the stress at work we currently suffer, has developed in us a greater sensitivity while resting, taking into account that noise, defined as any undesirable sound, affects the privacy of individuals. Therefore, a good insulation becomes an element of comfort as important or more as the design or the equipping of the room itself. Who has not heard the snoring of his neighbor or television because of a poor insulation of the partition walls? Danosa has developed a definitive solution against noise from adjacent houses, the multi-layer system Danofon. This system allows us to reach the required levels of insulation approved by the Technical Building Code against airborne noise between protected sites. Moreover, it has been checked in situ by the Institute of Building Sciences, Eduardo Torroja. It consists in setting the multi-layer material Danofon between two double-hole brick walls. The walls will be built on elastic bands or floating on the mortar. This system not only covers the division walls between different areas, but also takes into account the use of the Impactodan system regarding the floor and/or joints with the rest of walls. The Danofon is a system consisting of high-density membrane and a cotton blanket tied with thermosetting resins on each side. The membrane provides the product the required levels of insulation at low frequencies, while both cotton blankets mitigates the mid and high frequencies, getting a product that operates throughout the audible range. Danofon measures 28 mm thickness by 6 meters long, packaged in rolls and palletized on pallets of 9 rolls each. Its simple and easy installation is another of the advantages of the Danofon system. So, once the wall has been built on separating bands, we start measuring the wall, extending the Danofon roll on the floor, marking the taken measure. Then we proceed to cut the product. To this end, we recommend to use a power saw. The Danofon is presented entirely on the wall so as to fit completely squared. While an operator holds the piece, the other conducts a drill to place the insulating fixing. Please properly set up the fixing on the wall by using a hammer. Once the Danofon is fixed on its upper side, one of the operators keeps installing the fixings on the overlaps, and the other one can go on with other operations. Once place the Danofon all over the surface, the second wall will be built on elastic bands. Furthermore, check that the pillars châtie independent from the main structure. That's why we recommend to wrap the pillars with Danofon. Once the job is over, then proceed to make an acoustic measurement of the system, checking that the Technician Building Code is fulfilled, reserving the privacy of each user. That is why the best professionals use Danofon. Be sure not lacking Danofon in your work.